How to hide apps and games in Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide apps and games on the Google Play Store. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store on your phone. And here, once you are inside the Play Store, simply search for an app. For this video, I'm simply gonna search Clash of Clans, and here you would see it's currently visible and installed. So to hide it, simply go back and here simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And once you see the pop-up menu like this, simply tap on settings and then open family section on the settings section. And from here, simply tap on Parental Controls and toggle it on. And here you'll be asked to set a pin. So for this video, I'll just go with 1111 as an example. And once that's done, simply tap on apps and games. And here, simply set the content rating to rate it for 3+, which is most restrictive. And once you have done with that, simply tap on save and you're good to go. Now here, if you search for Clash of Clans again in the Play Store, it won't show up because it's effectively hidden. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.